In the world of finance management, precision, control, and clear visibility are not just desirable, they are absolutely essential. Whether you're tracking budgets, managing expenses, handling audits, or overseeing complex financial projects, the need for a system that adapts to your specific processes is paramount. This is where the topic of customization comes into play, and ClickUp, a versatile project management platform, offers an impressive array of options to tailor its environment to fit even the most intricate financial operations. When we talk about customization in a finance context, it's not just about changing colors or adding a logo. It's about building a system that mirrors your unique financial workflows, captures the exact data points you need, and provides the reports that drive informed decisions. Let's delve into the ways ClickUp excels in offering these crucial customization capabilities. One of the most foundational and powerful customization options in ClickUp lies in its custom statuses. Forget generic to-do, in progress, and done statuses. For a finance team, these are simply not enough. Imagine managing an accounts payable process. You might need statuses like invoice received, awaiting approval, approved, scheduled for payment, and paid. ClickUp allows you to define these statuses precisely, ensuring that every step of your financial workflow is clearly represented and tracked. This granular control means everyone on the team understands the exact stage of every invoice or payment, reducing miscommunication and delays. Beyond statuses, ClickUp introduces custom fields, which are game changers for financial teams. Think of custom fields as additional data points you can attach to any task, project, or even an entire space. For finance, this translates into an incredible ability to capture crucial information that standard project management tools often miss. You can create custom fields for financial values, budgeted amount, actual spend, revenue, profit margin, invoice value, payment amount, dates, invoice date, payment due date, approval date, audit deadline, categories/classifications, expense type, e.g., travel, software, utilities, department, cost center, client name, identifiers, invoice number, vendor ID, GL code, project ID, progress tracking, percentage complete for budget allocation, or a formula field to calculate variance. These custom fields can be various types: text, numbers, drop-downs, dates, checklists, and even formulas. The ability to create formula fields is particularly valuable for finance professionals, allowing you to automatically calculate values like budget variance or return on investment directly within ClickUp, reducing the reliance on external spreadsheets. The way you visualize your financial data is also highly customizable through views. ClickUp offers multiple views, each serving a different purpose, and you can customize them to highlight the most relevant financial information. List view, ideal for detailed task lists, where you can display all your custom fields as columns, making it easy to sort and filter financial data. Board view, Kanban perfect for visualizing workflows like invoice approvals, where each column represents a custom status. You can drag and drop invoices between awaiting approval and approved. Table view, this is like a spreadsheet within ClickUp, offering powerful capabilities for financial data. You can sort, filter, and even perform calculations directly within the table, making it an excellent tool for budget tracking or expense reports. Gantt chart, crucial for financial project planning. This view allows you to visualize timelines for audits, financial reporting cycles, or new system implementations, showing dependencies and critical paths. Calendar view, essential for tracking financial deadlines like tax filing dates, payment schedules, or month-end close activities. The customization doesn't stop at data entry and visualization. ClickUp's automations are a powerful tool for streamlining financial processes and reducing manual effort. For finance teams, this means you can set up rules to automatically assign an approval task to the finance manager when an invoice moves to awaiting approval status. Send a notification to the vendor relations team when a payment is marked paid. Automatically create a recurring task for monthly expense reporting or payroll processing. Update a custom field, e.g., days overdue, based on the current date and the payment due date. These automations ensure consistency, reduce human error, and free up valuable time for finance professionals to focus on analysis and strategic planning, rather than repetitive administrative tasks. Furthermore, ClickUp's dashboards provide a highly customizable overview of your financial performance and project health. You can create custom widgets to display key financial metrics, such as budget versus actuals charts, breakdowns of expenses by category or department, cash flow projections, task completion rates for financial projects, overdue invoices or payments. These dashboards can be tailored to different stakeholders: a high-level overview for executives, a detailed expense report for department heads, or a task-focused dashboard for the finance team. This flexibility ensures everyone gets the financial insights they need in a clear and digestible format.